If you want to rape a girl, they have many large-scale, virtual sex games, which are extremely realistic and allow you to play as much as you want. They are based on satisfying people's desires and actively developing science and technology, rather than emphasizing morality to suppress people's desires. Yes, in fact, there should be a mechanism to punish bad things. As in society, which is simply the law, there is also a mechanism to reward good things, especially the reward mechanism. For scientific research, there is no need to suppress people as desires and kill human nature. The 8 is the head of people, and it is also the source of power for people to strive for wealth, culture, art, science, and technology. Each suppressing human nature can suppress crime. It also changes people's creativity and causes the overall backward of society. Our traditional society emphasizes suppressing human nature, morality, and despising the law, which not only leads to backwardness in science, culture, art, science, and technology, but also leads to many hypocrites who emphasize that they are selfless and noble in a high-sounding manner, but do bad things behind the scenes. Chinese traditional culture is against selfishness and suppresses human nature. Even now, most people in Chinese society still believe that selfishness is the main shortcoming of human beings' charms. In traditional culture, even believes that selfishness and desire are the root of all evil. Human selfishness is the fundamental characteristic of human beings. The existence of human selfishness is objective and reasonable. Moreover, if people are not selfish, there will be no order in society. Will be in chaos.